Hey everyone, welcome to robuzz. The buzz for today is the all-new BMW X1 for 2023. It's the third generation of this compact SUV, now available as a full electric, and there's 10 cool new features about it that you should know. BMW has electrified the new X1's ride. It's now available as either a petrol or diesel-powered car with the help of a mild hybrid or plug-in hybrid electric motor. But it's now also available as a new fully electric iX1, BMW's first compact electric SUV. Displayed on two large horizontal screens which make up the BMW Curve display, the new X1 boasts BMW's new iDrive 8 system, which you can control by touch or with your voice. The new X1 gets a new pair of angular taillights. These have a sort of 3D design because of the way they wrap around the side of the car. A feature that's starting to be seen on more and more BMW models, the flush door handles give the side profile of the car a unique design while improving the aerodynamics of the body. Placed on top of the new floating armrest, BMW's new center console is minimalist and functional. It features a new gear selector and buttons to control the infotainment system instead of the previous swivel wheel design. These X1 seats are nearly designed to make the drive as comfortable as possible for everyone, with 6-way electrical adjustment. There's also sport seats options that can be adjusted in 8 different ways. New X1 is now capable of being operated without a physical key. Using BMW's digital key feature, simply have your phone with you and the car will know when you're around in order to lock and unlock itself. You can even start the car through the smartphone app. This new BMW gets plenty of driver assistant features to keep you safe on the roads. There's the option of getting the Driving Assistant Professional package, which steers to keep the car in lane and keep a safe distance from the car in front, amongst other things. The X1 as standard also get Parking Assist, which can automatically parallel and bay park, and Reversing Assist, which remembers your steering from the last 50 meters and ingeniously reverses you out using that exact path. There's the option of fitting the iX with a built-in dashcam, just like how a Tesla has. In the case of a car theft, this camera system will recognize it's being stolen and has the capability to start recording its movements on its own. As is a trend on many new cars, this car gets wireless charging for your smartphones. What makes the X1's charging pad so special, however, is that it has a cooling system to ensure that your phone doesn't overheat. That's it for today. If you enjoyed, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to robuzz. Would you get the new iX1 over the Mercedes EQA? Let me know in the comments. See ya!